Hey guys, good evening and welcome to today's session. And in today's session, we will discuss a very interesting topic that is different types of funnels. That is, first one, we know that we talk about funnels, and most of us confuse that funnel is a funnel. Sales funnels क्या होता है, marketing funnels क्या होता है. So we'll dig into all the details and understand what is a sales funnel, what is a marketing funnel, and what is the third type of funnel. See, funnel concept is very common. All of us use it in bits and pieces. Today, we are going to dig into the details and we'll see how actually we can select the best type of funnels for our business and also leverage from it. So let's get started. So we know about funnels. So mostly we use marketing funnels and sales funnels. The third type is a hybrid funnel, which is a mix of marketing and sales, and it basically does the both purpose, means marketing and sales. So let's go into the details. So let us understand the basic difference between marketing and sales, which is very common, but sometimes it is not common. Common sense is not so common. Sometimes it's said. So we do mistakes. Even initially I used to do mistakes. So I got it and understood it, and now I'm going to explain the same thing. So first thing is, let us understand what is marketing. This might sound very cliche, but yeah, let us go into the details. So marketing's focus is to understanding and meeting the customer needs and wants. To creating a creating a connection between your customer needs and wants. So that is the objective of marketing, is to make your customer aware. Okay. So let me cross check my audio. Is it fine? Okay, fine. So the focus is to understanding and meeting the customer needs and wants. The objective is to create an interest and attract the customer. Marketing is attracting. Marketing is attracting. Just remember that line. And what is the strategy we do for marketing is advertising, public relationship, social media marketing, content marketing, and so on. The approach is a broad strategy for positioning and value communication. What does it mean? Positioning your product or service among your target audiences and explaining and communicating the value very clearly. What is it for? What purpose it solves? Okay. And how do you check whether your marketing is correct or not? By the matrices of brand awareness, website traffic, the kind of leads you're getting from your website or social media, and so on. So that is basically marketing. I'll just repeat, it is creating interest and attracting customer. Now, what is sales? The focus is directly selling product and services. Of course, objective is closing deals and generating revenue. That is not just creating awareness. Strategy can be online selling, direct selling, relationship building, and negotiation. It can go also offline. So sometimes we attract people online, sell offline through phone and meeting and so many other things. In current scenario, there is a thin line between online and offline. So I'm just trying to clarify that. The approach is persuading potential customer to purchase either online or offline or a mix of that. And the matrices is, how do you know your sales is successful? By the number of deals closed, the conversion rate, and the revenue generated. So marketing is attracting, sales is closing. Okay. Now, what are the salient features of a marketing funnel? So the focus is attracting and nurturing potential customers. So marketing funnels nurture it. There are steps. And what are the steps? Awareness, interest, and consideration, my friend. Okay. An objective is to build a brand awareness, generate and nurture leads. So it is not only making them aware, but also generating leads and also nurturing leads. And what is the outcome? Educated and engaged leads. Educated means people are aware of your product and services. They are not a unknown person for you. And the objective is to generate and nurture the leads. So the leads are again passed on to the sales team. That's where sales team's work starts. Whereas the sales funnel, what does it do? It converts leads into paying customers, either online, offline, or a mix of that. And what are the stages? People are already in the consideration stage. They are already marketing qualified leads or sales qualified leads. There is an intent, means they want to purchase, and people actually purchase. Objective is very clear: close deals and drive revenue. And what is the outcome? Completed sales and generated revenue. So I'll just go through that. Go back to marketing. Marketing is educated and engaged leads. That is the objective of marketing funnel. So at the end of the marketing funnel, you get leads who know about your product and services. Okay, who are aware of your product. And the sales thing is people who have already purchased from you. So that's the basic differences. So let's go and dive deep into some marketing funnels examples that will clear your doubts also. Just I'll take a pause and see here. Give me a second. Okay, so what are the examples of marketing funnels? First one is a content marketing funnel, the most common one, where you engage and attract people through valuable content which is useful for them. Content that you create doesn't matter if it is not useful for them. So content which is useful, valuable for them, that is going to engage and attract customers. And what are the stages and examples? In awareness stage, we create blogs, social media posts. In consideration stage, we create ebooks, white papers, downloadables. In decision stage, we say case studies and testimonials. By reading all this content, basically people get attracted to you. So this is a part of the marketing funnel. Please remember, people get attracted to you. They come closer to you. They become a unaware to aware and aware to a like a person who is considering you. So they download your lead magnet or any content, consume your content, and become a lead. They submit their information. So content marketing can further be linked to some other funnels. So that is the objective, guys. Like, and I'll take a pause here. So here, what exactly happens is if you have a marketing funnel, wherever marketing funnel ends, the sales funnel starts. That is the sequence, basically. I hope I'm clear. Moving on. SEO funnel, search engine optimization funnel. The objective is to attract organic traffic from search engines. That's self-explanatory for people who are into digital marketing. SEO is common amongst business owners. The stages are keyword research, on-page SEO, content creation, link building, and conversion optimization. Conversion optimization at the website page level, basically. So what is the objective here? What do you achieve with SEO funnel is basically position our pages with right keywords so that people who are searching can come to us. That is the first step. What happens after they come to us becomes a part of the second funnel, which is linked to this. But the basic objective of SEO funnel is to provide do keyword research, be available for people who are searching for you so that people can discover you and come to you, read your content. If it is a landing page, they will fill up a form and become a lead. So as you remember, I'll reiterate here, marketing funnels objective is to attract, educate, and make unaware people a lead. Okay, moving on. Social media funnels. So we are using Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so many other purposes for different purposes. The purpose is to build a brand awareness. What does your brand do? What are the products? What are the services? Who are the audiences? What do they talk about us? What are the offers? How do you solve your problem, and so on. So to build brand awareness and engage with the audience on social media platform, that is the objective or the purpose. And the stages are basically creating social media post, even social media ads like awareness ad, engagement ads. And people engage with your content, they comment and they share, they ask questions, they answer your questions, and when they show interest, they remember your brand. So there is a brand recall that we call it, and brand recall makes you closer to your customers. So people are more likely to buy from brands which are close, which they know. Okay, so here when they comment and share, they recall, they engage, and next time when they see your ad or content, they are more likely to engage. And also when somebody is commenting, when somebody is messaging, somebody is clicking on a link on your social media post, then or they're signing up, so they become a lead. And you can run lead magnets basically on through social media also. And when they become lead magnets or when you provide offer, people actually sign up. So from unaware to aware, aware to engage, engage to leads, again the same sequence. Email marketing funnel solves something similar. So the objective is to nurture leads and convert them into prospects basically through email campaigns. So you capture through opt-in forms in your website or any other platform. Then you start welcome mail series or drip sequences where you send a set of mails one by one at a particular interval so that they consume and they come closer to you. In your emails, you put the link of your product page or a landing page or the sales page so that people can come and read your content and then eventually buy from you. So again, suppose this can be aware or semi-aware audience in email marketing. Cold email is like completely unaware, and if you are targeting uh, known people, then it is a semi-aware or a aware audiences basically. PPC funnel is basically pay per click or paid ads funnels. So they attract traffic and generate leads or sales through paid ads. When I say sales, some products can happen, the sales can happen then and there because people are already aware and you don't need to do anything to prompt the sale. In most of the e-commerce funnels, you don't have to explain a lot. The product page itself is self-explanatory. The objectives are ad creation, targeting, landing page creation, conversion, and retargeting. When we say retargeting, we can use remarketing pixels, and we can retarget people who have come to our website, have not purchased or have not completed the conversion event, and they can be retargeted by giving some more value, some more trust, some more offers, and so on. So these were some of the examples of marketing funnel. Let's go to the sales funnel now. Sales funnel, one of the most popular sales funnel is lead generation funnel, where I'll take a pause here and explain that lead generation funnel is basically most of the times it is not completely online. It can be online plus offline or online plus one more funnel followed by that. So lead magnet is followed by something else. So the purpose is to attract potential customer and capture their contact information, contextual information, not just contact information. I will just add that contextual information, that you get the right information. Just name, email ID, phone number will not help. If you can capture their intent, capture their requirement, you can nurture them better. And the stages of a lead generation funnel are basically creating awareness through ads. That is what is very important. That is why it is a funnel. You don't try directly just run a lead ad. You make them aware first through your content or ad, then generate interest through your landing page or a opt-in form or a lead form. And when they fill up the form, they have taken 50% of the decision to know more about your product or services. That is where you need to give them more information and nurture it. Okay, so when they fill up the form, they have shown their intent, and after that you should run the sales process basically. So it is a online plus offline or online plus online, but it is a two-step process. Sales funnel, where you are selling a product directly. It can be a digital product, or it can be any kind of product. And the objective is to, so see, if you see, I was talking just 2 seconds back that lead funnel is followed by sales funnel. So sales funnel is to convert leads into paying customer. Here again, you, once you nurture them, once you have sent sufficient information, you can push the sales page to them, where that they have sufficiently engaged with you, you have sufficiently given them information, and they are ready to consume your content, ready to buy your product. So in such cases, we can retarget, we can send so many other activities, and send them to the checkout process, and they can purchase from you. Webinar funnel is the most common one, where we educate people through a webinar. We give some value through a webinar, and at the end we pitch our product. Okay, the first process is webinar, and then followed by the pitch. The pitch can be there in the webinar itself. So here the steps are registration, attendance, and follow-up. This is very common. I don't need to explain much about that. Product launch funnel, where you are launching a digital product, I do my workshop and all this thing. So basically I run ads, I do pre-launch teasers like this, like what I'm doing right now. This is a mix of content marketing plus teaser basically. Provide value. It's a mix of all this thing. So we do a pre-launch teaser where we ask people to sign up and keep them in a waiting list. Then we launch through an event or a sales page, and post launch we follow up and we give them offer so that they can convert. Membership funnel is for people who have recurring kind of businesses, means where the product or service has a longer span. For example, if you're selling a yoga package, you're selling a fitness package, if you're selling a mentoring package, it doesn't happen in one event, where it is a continuation process. You get membership where people pay monthly or annually to be a part of your community or take your services on a month and month basis. So the objective is to acquire and retain members for a subscription based services or community. The objective is again same. Attraction has to be there. The top of the funnel has to be there. Then through conversion and landing pages, and once they are there, you engage them and retain them. That is the whole process. A tripwire funnel is again, it's not a like a new concept, but the convert leads into customer with a low cost offer and then upsell with a high ticket product basically. So you sell a low ticket product to build trust, provide value, and win their trust and confidence that once they have consumed your low ticket product, you can pitch a high ticket product to them. So the you can do it through a paid or a free lead magnet. Then you give a tripwire offer after they download or buy the lead magnet, then you can upsell. This is very common. In some cases, it works beautifully. In some cases, it has stopped working. So you need to see what is working for you and what is not working for you. Now, squeeze page funnel is basically again value. Everywhere you have to give some value in the form of content, in the form of lead magnet or something. So they capture the email address or other content by offering a valuable freebie. You give something for free, and then people capture trust you by consuming your content, and then they can proceed. So here also the same thing, attraction, the awareness has to be there, top of the funnel, middle of the funnel has to be there, then conversion and nurturing. So but guys, we talked about marketing funnels and sales funnel. There is something else which is called the hybrid funnel. Hybrid is a mix of that. Hybrid is a mix of marketing and sales. If you see, there's a marketing funnel and the sales funnel, and there is a connection. So hybrid funnels does the both, and it serves as a both marketing funnel as well as the sales funnel here. And the purpose is to combine both marketing and sales process in one comprehensive funnel, one combined funnel. So it is right from awareness till retention. Awareness, interest, decision, action, and retention. Okay. So it does everything. And the most common ones are a conversion funnel where you optimize the entire customer journey from awareness to conversion. So it need not be e-commerce. Conversion funnel need not be e-commerce. It can be any kind of thing. You are selling a digital product, you are selling a physical product, anything can be done. And you take them through a step by step process. It need not be at one time, but it is a process. Conversion funnel, it doesn't mean that like e-commerce you go and purchase immediately, but there is a step. It can be like you show a social media ad, they fill up a form, you download a lead magnet, you send them an email, you send them a WhatsApp, you call them for a meeting, then send them a meeting, call them for a webinar, or bring them to a meeting, one-to-one meeting, then send them a sales page, they buy from it. So it can be anything. Depending on the nature of the business, it will be different. E-commerce funnel is the most common one where the entire journey is taken care. Attraction through awareness ads. Please note here that awareness ad and engagement ads and sales ad plus SEO also works as a marketing funnel, right? So all kind of mix up everything needs to be there at the attraction phase. When they are attracted, they come to your product page, that is the interest. When they want to take a decision, that is the decision stage where they go to the cart and initiate checkout and purchase. And once they purchase, you want to retain them, and you want to buy them, make them buy again, so you can retain and make them repurchase things. So that is the retention part. So guys, this is what I wanted to present, that there is a marketing funnel, there is a sales funnel, and there is a hybrid funnel. And if you see, it is not just about ads. It is not that in a single line. If you see the funnels, each funnel has a set of rules, set of steps, and we need to follow those steps to get the desired result. To get 100%, we need to give 100%. To get 100%, you cannot say that I have given 99%, right? So imagine that in earlier age, when you used to download software, if it cancels on 99%, the software will not work. So same thing happens in life. To get 100%, you need to give 100%. So if you want to implement the funnel in a right way, you need to follow the steps. Now there are no fixed way of any funnel, but for every type of funnel you have steps, and if you follow that, you will be very closer to your success. That is what is my submission. And for this purpose, guys, I'm presenting something where I'll be teaching you 10 types of funnels on a mix of marketing, sales, and hybrid. And I call it the strategic funnel mastery course. It is a mix of recorded plus a live, where I'll be teaching you 10 types of funnels. And let us see what are the 10 types of funnel. So these are the 10 types of funnel: lead magnet, e-commerce, webinar, Application means appointment funnel, SaaS product funnels, digital course sales funnel, which I do for myself, local sales funnel, where I'll teach you how to generate local sales. Then B2B leads funnel, basically B2B funnels, which I have been doing since long, affiliate marketing funnels, and membership funnels. So these 10 are the most common, and you or your client will need this. If you're a marketing agency or a marketer, I'm sure like 99% of the funnels will be one of this. This is what we'll be learning in the course, plus the live Q&A. And what does it cover? It covers funnel maps, real-time examples, swipe files in the form of ad copies and graphics, checklist, and some live funnel walkthroughs. These are some of the examples. Like this is one of the funnel map for e-commerce. This was the funnel map for a consulting. This is the funnel map for an e-commerce. And then you get ad copies of this kind of funnels. You get creatives, which we have done through our agency. I'll be sharing some of the thing which is shareable with you, where you can see live example of graphics. Then landing pages example, we have tons of landing pages, close to 300 landing pages we have done in last 6 years. So, and close to 200 projects data is there. So I'll be sharing live examples with you so that you can relate with that, and you can apply that in your funnels. You'll also get checklist like this. This is not the exact checklist that you'll get, but yeah, checklist like this. And yeah, we'll also do live funnel walkthrough, so you get to know what is actually happening. So what is the model of this training? Is first is the recording and swipe files to be provided beforehand when the course starts. Then 4 live Q&A sessions are there. Q&A via email will be there. Q&A and discussion via Facebook group will be there. And there will be a WhatsApp group to communicate important information and also stay in touch, basically. The Q&A sessions will be on 11th, 13th, 15th, and 17th. And the fees for this is 1499. There is no gimmick. There is no high price with the discount and all this thing. This like a straightforward product. So the price is kept very simple also. It is a 1499. You will learn 10 funnels in that. And the course content will be available on 10th August in the learning management system. So let me take you through the page, sales page basically. So I'm also sharing this sales page. So this is the sales page where you can actually, given to you. So let me also share this. So it's a straightforward product, and you learn 10 types of funnel. You get funnel maps, real-time examples, swipe files, checklist, and live funnel walkthrough. And also there are Q&A sessions. So if you feel you are a right fit for this, I'm pasting the link here in the comments. Let me know. Yeah, it went to the LinkedIn, YouTube. So I have shared the page for registration. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any question, you can ask me right now. And the objective is to share with you whatever type of funnel I have done, whatever type of projects we have done, how we have implemented it, how you can do it. So if you get one type of project, you can easily map it to that. Oh, this is this kind of funnel, and these are the steps, and I need to follow this basically. Of course, you can change it and customize it, but you get a basic framework where you know what exactly you want to do. So if there are any questions, please let me know. I'm here to answer your queries. And if you have any queries, feel free to reach out to me in future. Like you can message me, you can WhatsApp me, you can you can send a messenger message to me, or you can send a message on LinkedIn. I'm available to answer your questions. And the classes will start 5 days from now on 10th. So you'll get all the content together on 10th if you're registering now. And Q&A sessions will be followed by that, where we'll be taking your questions and clearing all those things. So if there are no questions, I'll wind up. Have a great week ahead, and let me know if you need any kind of clarification information. And if you are interested, please let me know. If you have not got the registration link, please share it with me, and I'll be happy to have you here. Thank you, and have a great week ahead.